Welcome to Choice Champions. The best anniversary gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to celebrate a significant milestone in a couple's journey together, marking 5 years of shared experiences, growth, and enduring love, and finding that perfect present requires a blend of sentimentality and practicality to truly resonate with their unique bond and create lasting memories. Number 5. 35 Scratch-Off Date Night Ideas. Looking for a way to add some excitement to your relationship? This is the perfect solution for couples of all stages, from new relationships to long-term marriages. Discover 35 fun and adventurous date challenges designed to help you fall in love all over again. Each card offers unique ideas you might not have tried before. Once you scratch off a challenge, you must complete it. It's a great way to embrace spontaneity and create lasting memories together. This makes an ideal gift for anniversaries, Valentine's Day, birthdays, weddings, or just because. Surprise your partner with a thoughtful and engaging present. Rekindle the excitement you felt at the beginning of your relationship. These cards are designed to bring fun, adventure, and happiness back into your date nights. With included scratchers, it's simple to reveal your next adventure. Useful categories on each card help you prepare for dates at home, out, or even if you need a sitter. What we like. This is perfect for couples who want to inject spontaneity and adventure into their relationship. If you're looking for a fun way to break out of routine and try new experiences together, this is the one. You should consider this if you like the thrill of surprise and are committed to making date night happen, no matter what. What people say. The quality of the engraving is exceptional, with crisp lines and a beautiful finish that really stands out. It arrived well packaged and exactly as described, making it a perfect and thoughtful gift. The customization options were easy to navigate, and the final product exceeded expectations in terms of detail and craftsmanship. Number 4. STOFINITY 5-Year Anniversary Wood Card Gift. Mark your 5th year of marriage with this special anniversary card. It's a heartfelt way to celebrate your journey together. Crafted from quality wood, this card features 2 wooden puzzles for personalization. It's a unique keepsake to commemorate your 5th anniversary. The back of this card offers space for photos and your personal messages. Freely express your love and create a memorable gift for him or her. Made with fine laser-cut details, this wooden anniversary gift showcases excellent craftsmanship. It's a beautiful representation of 5 years of love. With its elegant engraved frame, this card can be displayed as a cherished keepsake. It's a perfect reminder of your 5th wedding anniversary and beyond. This versatile gift is ideal for husbands, wives, or any couple celebrating their 5th anniversary. It's a thoughtful present for him or her. What we like. This is an excellent choice for couples celebrating their 5th anniversary, especially if they appreciate natural materials and a touch of rustic charm. If you're looking for a keepsake that feels substantial and can be personalized with a heartfelt message or photos, this is ideal. You should consider this if you value tangible, beautifully crafted items that serve as a lasting memento of your special milestone. What people say. The product is a great gift for couples celebrating their 5th anniversary. It's a unique and thoughtful present that shows you care. The quality is excellent and it's something they will cherish for years to come. Number 3. DCAPILLA 2 Hearts and Cross Sculpture. Celebrate your enduring love with this exquisite sculpture. It's a beautiful representation of your unique journey together, perfect for any anniversary. Experience the joy of gifting with our stunning presentation. This piece comes in thoughtful packaging, ensuring a memorable unboxing for your loved one. Each sculpture is meticulously handcrafted, offering a personal and unique touch. It's a testament to a love as special as your relationship. Embodying a deep spiritual connection, this piece is inspired by the poem Marriage Takes 3. It's an ideal gift to honor your union. More than just a gift, it symbolizes the unbreakable bond between 2 hearts. Celebrate the strength and beauty of your shared life. From your 1st anniversary to your golden jubilee, this keepsake marks every precious moment. Honor the love and dedication you've shared over the years. What we like. This is a sophisticated gift for couples who appreciate art and symbolism in their home decor. If you're looking for a statement piece that represents the strength and beauty of a long-lasting union, this is it. You should consider this if you want a timeless keepsake that can be displayed proudly, commemorating any anniversary from the 1st to the golden. What people say. The product is a great gift for couples celebrating their 5th anniversary. It's a beautiful and unique present that the couple will cherish. The quality of the item is excellent and it looks even better in person. Number 2. Luna Bean Original Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Introducing the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, the original way for couples to capture a special moment. It's the perfect gift for any occasion, from Father's Day to anniversaries. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to create a meaningful keepsake. With clear instructions, you can easily create a treasured memory together. Looking for the perfect Father's Day gift? This DIY hand casting kit allows you to capture the bond with your father in a unique and artistic way. Our premium alginate mix captures every detail, ensuring an ultra-precise casting. Anyone can create a professional-grade keepsake with our simple instructions and video tutorial. Forget generic gifts. This hand casting kit transforms a fleeting moment into a lasting work of art, perfect for weddings, anniversaries, or any milestone. Perfect for couples, this kit turns your story into a romantic, one-of-a-kind gift. It's a beautiful reminder of the moment you created it together. What we like. This is a wonderful option for couples who want to create a truly unique and personal memento together. If you're looking for an activity that fosters connection and results in a tangible piece of art representing your bond, this is perfect. You should consider this if you enjoy hands-on projects and want to capture a specific moment, like holding hands, in a detailed, artistic form. What people say. The product is well-made and durable, perfect for a long-lasting keepsake. The customizable engraving option allows for a personal touch, making it a unique gift. It arrived beautifully packaged, ready for gifting. Number 1. Naked Woodworks Personalized Cutting Board. Searching for a unique wedding, anniversary, or birthday gift? This personalized cutting board is a beautiful reminder of their special day, perfect for everyday use and display. By choosing this gift, you're supporting a small, family-run business that handcrafts each item with care. It's a heartfelt present made by American makers, not mass-produced. Each board is made from premium natural walnut or maple, featuring a deep engraving that lasts. It's durable for daily use and beautiful enough to be a treasured keepsake. Use both sides for prepping and serving your favorite meals or charcuterie. It elevates any occasion, making simple moments memorable. This custom cutting board, personalized with names and dates, becomes a lasting keepsake. It's a thoughtful and functional gift for weddings, anniversaries, or new homes. What we like. This is a fantastic gift for couples who love to cook, entertain, or simply appreciate practical yet sentimental items. If you're looking for a personalized item that can be used daily and also serve as a beautiful reminder of their special day, this is it. You should consider this if you want to support a small business and give a handcrafted gift that combines everyday utility with deep personal meaning. What people say. The quality of the engraving is excellent, very clear and precise. It arrived well packaged and protected, ensuring it was in perfect condition. The design is elegant and sophisticated, a perfect keepsake for a special occasion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.